get me off.
Recorded accident.
Yo, that's crazy. What'd I do? Yo, is there 3 of them?
Yeah.
Yo, wow. Yo. I tore the poles out of the ground and dragged them with me.
I know, and then you saw the other ones. Did you see the other ones flip off? They flipped off to the side.
No, nothing flipped off. I carried them. Or did they?
No, some flipped off, and then you took like 3 of them with you.
I think that's what saved me from going over.
Ooh, yeah, that's how you do it.
It's coming up over. Here, watch out, dude.
Yo, Jay's lifting in the air. Oh God.
I don't look too promising.
Come on, shut back up. He's just straightening it out, Mom.
Now you off.
Yeah, you're off. Four. You got 4, dude. This is what we call the car, the Demonator.
Well, if you're gonna fuck shit up, that's how you do it.
Yeah, that's how you do it. Our car crash. 12:45 hours as the military time, right? Is that what he said? 12. Didn't it say 12 to 45 hours?
1,400 hours.
Oh, 1,400 hours.
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. 2 kids in the car. Well, me and him. The driver. And then myself. 4 things drugged from all the way down there to here. Holy shit. What?
Alright, done now. That's over.